Hi there. Today I will show you how to edit your photos like this in mobile Lightroom. All that you need is just repeat after me. You can also download this preset on our website, which is presetstore.com. You can get it there for free, but you need to have a password which will appear twice on the right top corner like you can see it now. And guys, leave your thumbs up and comment. It's very good motivation to keep doing free Lightroom presets for you. So let's get started.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. All that we had, I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me, so close to the edge of something so worth it. You have the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be. Watching it end again and again. I feel it in the edge of something so worthy. You have the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be. We can't get any Let me go. Left me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. We couldn't get any closer. We couldn't get any closer. We couldn't get any closer.
That's heat. We made it. Now you'll see how this preset looks on other photos. Don't forget to save the preset to use it whenever you like. And let us know if something was going wrong with your preset. We will be glad to help you. See you next time.
Watching it end.